And this is
So
what we
like,
discussed.
but I like to do the yellow eye stuff, you know, and just kind of getting it all together, you know. My dragon looks very gentle though, huh? You know, and then you can kind of go in there and start adding in a little bit more detail with like dark reds and stuff like that. Just I probably wouldn't use too many blacks.
It was basically a 1 hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to, maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have worked with kids in the past that had autism, and I never saw a case, like I never saw 2 kids that ever had the same kind of symptoms or
Right, so you have like a slide, then you have like playing the instrument as a percussion. And like I say, I'm not too obsessed with stylistically, the few ways you can play different styles, jazz, blues, classical. I like the infinite ways you can play the instrument. Like one is where you have this kind of Billie Jean.